Today it's gonna be a little makeup look, but that is super close to my face. I'm just gonna get straight into it. Beautiful up close. You're gonna see all the imperfections, the pores, everything on my face, and we're gonna see where it goes. So we're gonna prep the skin with the Drunk Elephant Sweet Bayomi spray. And taking a little serum from Huda Beauty, and we're gonna put that all over the face. Now that it's prepped with the spray and a good serum, we're gonna go into the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base as a 2-in-1 moisturizer and primer. As you guys know, right now my skin is super dry and it is so irritated. I have a little bit of sunburn, and anything moisturizer or anything will kind of tingle my skin a little bit. So we're gonna keep the makeup very natural for today. We're gonna go into the Merit Beauty little complexion stick for now. And I'm gonna mix this complexion stick with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and putting it everywhere so the color just matches me better. And now it's time to blend with this little brush from Merit Beauty. And the Rare Beauty brush for the inner corner. And then I will be setting my face with the Airbrush Flawless Finish from Charlotte Tilbury. So this one right here. And then time to add back a little bit of dimension on the face. So I'm gonna go with this beautiful Hourglass Vanish Blush Stick. And then taking back the brush from Merit Beauty, and then I'm gonna be blending the blush out just like that. And then to add a little bit more dimension right on the cheeks, we're gonna go into the Patrick Ta for face and going into the cream color, which is She's Statuesque. And with his brush that he made with the collection. Take back the Merit Beauty brush to blend out the contour and the blush together. And then going into this Merit Beauty Cava highlighting balm to put on the high points of the cheeks. Finish off, and to set everything in place, we will go into this Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette, which has 3 beautiful different shades, and we're gonna go in all 3 of them. Starting off with the blurring powder, the highlighting, and the bronzing color. I'm just gonna feather the brow. And then the brow gel from Merit Beauty. some eyeshadow. Some mascara. After doing the eyes, we need to prep the lips. For the lips, so I'm gonna go with the MAC Prepless Prime Lip Primer. Going into the lip power from Giorgio Armani. And that is my up close little makeup look. So I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to like the video and to comment down below which part of it was the best. Do you like close-ups? Do you not like close-ups? Do you want me to talk more, do more some voiceover, do a little bit different? Tell me down below. I would love to know. And also consider subscribing for 5 beautiful videos a week, Monday through Friday, all on beauty related. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thanks, subscribed, and again watching my content. You know guys, it really means the world to me. I really love it when you engage down. It really helps me with the algorithm. The algorithm likes the likes and comments, and that is it. So again, thank you so much for watching. I really love you beauties, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye beauties.